Oh my gosh, wait till you see what I got. Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Chauvin's Nest. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'd love for you to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. If you are a returning subscriber, I'd like to say thank you for your support. The first thing that I want to show you is my Walmart haul. It's a tiny little haul, just a couple of things, but I just think they're just gorgeous. I picked up this roll of ribbon. It was $4.98 for 20 feet, and that's probably a little bit expensive, but you know what? I just couldn't resist it. It just looks so pretty, and I can't wait to put it up on my tree. The other thing I picked up from Walmart was this little bucket of turquoise and blue and silver ornaments in different sizes and textures, and they were $3.88 for 20 of them. So 20 of them for $3.88. I thought that was a pretty good deal. It was just the colors that I was really excited about because these are the colors that I use on my tree. So I thought I would just grab a few. The next stop on this tour is Dollarama. So Dollarama is a store up here in Canada that is similar to your Target in the US, especially the Target dollar spot. Things are anywhere from $1 to $4 maximum. This is one of the first things that I found, and I really love this. It's $2.50, and I'm probably going to take it apart and lay it in the branches of my tree just to give it a little bit of extra fullness. The next thing that I found was this beautiful pine, I guess you could call it a pick or a bush. They call it a pine needles stem, and it has a little bit of a frosty look to it. It's really pretty. Unfortunately, that was the only one they had, so I wasn't able to pick up any more. This was $2.50. And then there were these picks, and they come like this. They're $1.25. They're a little bit, well, they are plastic, but they've got the multiple colors, and they just have the really nice pine needles. So I thought it would be really good for either on my garland or maybe outside because they're plastic. This is a garland that I grabbed. It was $2.50, and it's white with some silver berries. So I'm probably going to use that in the wreath for my front door, which I haven't created yet. So stay tuned for a video about that shortly. And I also picked up a couple of bags of these red berries because I love the combination of silver and red together. These berries were $1. The little bottle brush, there's a lot of little bottle brush trees around, and I was really excited yesterday when I found these, which are silver, at my Dollarama, and they were $2.50 for 4. So 2 larger ones and 2 smaller ones. And I just think they're really pretty. I've got a lot of the green ones and some white ones, but this is the first time that I had seen silver, so I thought I would grab myself some of these. So for some reason this year, I am totally obsessed with jingle bells. I picked these up at the Dollarama, and they're a little bit of the larger style, which is nice because I see a lot of the little ones, but I didn't see a lot of big ones. These were $1.25. Then I picked up a pack of 24 of these jingle bells, and these are just the basic ones, but they are the larger size, and that was $1.50 for that. And then the last style of jingle bells that I picked up were these little ones that come in a box for $2.50, actually $2, and I just really liked it because they were matte and shiny, and there was just some different styles in here. So I thought that would be really cute for some type of decor. Actually, I'm probably going to use these because I bought 4 packs. I will probably string these on some jute twine and make a garland out of them. So stay tuned for a video on how I make this garland. The last thing from Dollarama is these little filler styrofoam balls, and you get a whole bunch of different sizes, and you get 2 colors. I had purchased some of these a while back, and then I had run out of them. So I was really excited to see the silver and gold back in stock. So I grabbed myself a couple of bags. Now these I use for on wreaths, on ornaments, on filler for in a vase. So really there's multi-purposes for these. Last week I was in a different town for the weekend and I stopped into a Dollarama that was close by. I was basically driving by. So I figured I'm gonna pop in, and I'm so glad I did because I found these two adorable reindeer. My mantle decor is all about reindeer. I'll be uploading a video probably next week or the week after showing you how I decorate my mantle, and this little guy is going to be included, and I just thought it was so sweet with the buffalo plaid letters on it. You could probably even take this off and mount him on a wreath or something. I just thought it was just adorable. This guy was only $2.50, so I grabbed a couple of them. And another reindeer that I found was this chrome one, and isn't he beautiful? It was $4. So I am so excited that I found this guy. I've got actually two of them. So look at his beautiful antlers and his proud head standing up like that. So I think he's gonna make a great addition to my collection of reindeer. So now I'm going to take you to the Dollar Tree. This is where I found this red truck paper bag, and this cardboard piece comes right off. If I can see, and it just attaches with these little stickies here. So this one was really cute. It's adorable. I've used it for a couple of crafts already. This went onto my sled trash to treasure. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it for you and in the description box below. And I also used the back side of it for a wood plaque. And look at the beautiful buffalo plaid that it has on the inside of the crease. So that would be really nice as a border. The next one I picked up is this farmhouse barn combo. I just thought it was a really pretty winter wonderland. Again, this would make a beautiful sign at your front door, or maybe, you know, on a plaque, or as a gift bag, as its purpose. But I tend to look at things and go, wow, I could probably do that something else with it. Again, there's a really nice buffalo plaid pattern on this one. This is another cute one that I thought was nice. It just says joy on it, and a little bit of sparkle, red truck with the little snowman. I just thought he was really cute. So this is a 3-pack of boxes that I got at the Dollar Tree, and the reason I picked this up is for this snowman. I think he looks really rustic and old-fashioned, and he's really sweet, and it just says Christmas greetings on the top. So I really like that one. This one, oh, I didn't even know that this one is in here. So it's just a whole bunch of penguins in the shape of a tree. With some antlers on. So I thought that was a really cute little box. And the back is just Santa's belt from Santa Claus. The last bags that I picked up are these really large ones. I'm gonna have to step back here a little bit. Look at how pretty that is. It is absolutely gorgeous. And if you look up close, it's just got these really beautiful muted colors. I love the red check and the merry and bright. And I think those are really sweet. I'm going to be making wood plaque signs out of these because they're just gorgeous. I think they would be beautiful hanging in someone's home, my home. So that's one. This was another style, and I thought this one was very sweet too, with the two little reindeer here and the snow falling and the blue tones in the background. Very pretty. Then I picked up this one, of course. Nothing is complete without something about Santa. So here he is, just having a jolly old time. Merry Christmas with a raccoon and some things. And again, really beautiful, soft, muted colors. And for $1.25, these bags are quite large. So it's a really good buy. And then here's a little snowman. You've got a little fox peeking in here. And who is this? A bear up here and a cardinal. Make it merry. So really pretty bags. Now we're moving on to Michael's, and they have all of their Christmas stems 50% off right now. So I went and picked this one up. It was $7, and I think it's just gorgeous. It has the real thin pine needles, a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of snow, and that's just enough sparkle for me. I'm not a huge sparkle fan. And then I picked up this one as well. This one was $7 on sale. It's just gorgeous. It has, again, the snow and a little bit of sparkle, a couple of pine cones. I did grab two of these, and they're really nice and full. I think they're going to look gorgeous on my wreath, and maybe even some of the pieces will be part of the garland, and I might even fill up some of my tree with it. Check this out. This is from Marshall's. It's lamb's ear, so you can see on the back that it's just got that really pale green color, but the front is simply coated with snow and glitter, and it just looks gorgeous. So this is definitely going in some of my garland. It'll probably show up in my wreath for the front door, which is a video that will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And I just love it. This was not on sale. It was $12.99 a piece. I got 2 of them, but it was my big splurge this year for Christmas decor. So I'm hoping that it will stay intact. I'm gonna really be careful when I take all of this Christmas stuff down. Make sure that I pack this away really nicely so it keeps its shape and doesn't get torn up for next year. The last thing I picked up, which will be part of my coffee bar, this is some simple syrups, or actually some skinny syrups, what they're called, and it's a syrup trio. And my friend Sonia over at Domestic Diva got me into these. She has some of these for the fall, and now she's picked some up for Christmas as well. So I had tried some over at her house. They're supposed to be sugar-free, 0 calories, 0 sugar, and there's a vanilla, a salted caramel, and a mocha. So I can't wait to try these in my coffee.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know which item was your favorite. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Stay tuned for some more inspiration.